Hey everyone, I wanted to make this video to show our pre-K through 5th teachers how you can create a Canvas page as a resource page for your students. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to How ISD and you're going to click on Canvas, and that will take you to a sign-in page. If you are already signed in to Office 365, it should automatically sign you in. If for some reason it asks you for your username and login, you're going to type in your full How ISD email address and the current password that you're using to get onto the computer. So from here, you can tell that I've already created a second grade classroom. And just to note that for pre-K through 5, I'm actually going to build these classrooms for you. And we're going to just discuss over the next coming weeks how you can continue to add to that. But I'm just going to show you just from scratch kind of how we get started. You're going to click on Start a New Course, and it's going to ask you, what do you want to name it? So I'm going to name this Summit Hill First Grade. And for my short name, I'm going to do SH first and then 2020. And then, of course, I'm going to make this public because we want our parents and students to see it. And then I'm going to make this course publicly visible. And then I'm going to create the course. So the first thing that happens whenever you create this Canvas course is it is going to ask you if you want to add existing content or create a new module. You're not going to worry about adding existing content because this is the first time that you've been on Canvas. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new module. So because we are building a resource page for parents, not necessarily an online classroom, I am going to build 4 different modules, and you can see that here: an ELAR, a math, science and social studies, and art, music, and PE. So I'm going to go ahead and click ELAR, and I'm going to click Add Module, and then I'm going to go up here to where it says Plus Module. I'm going to click on Math, Add Module. I'm going to click Add Module again, Science and Social Studies, and I'm going to click Add Module, and then I'm going to do it one last time, and we're going to do Art, Music, and PE Resources. And I'm going to click Add Module. So I want you to think of these modules as a type of file folder to hold all of the resources and YouTube videos that you're going to create and anything online that you want your students to have access to. That is going to go in these particular modules. So under ELAR resources, how we can add a page, there's a couple of different buttons over here. The only button that you need to worry about is the plus button. And when you click on the plus button, it's going to ask you, what do you want to add? We are only going to be adding pages because that will allow us to create a new page and name it whatever we want to. So the first page that I'm going to create is going to be called YouTube Videos. And I'm going to add that item. And then I'm going to click the plus sign again, and I'm going to make sure that this part where it says new page is grayed out. I'm going to type online resources, and then I'm going to click add item. This could be anything that you find online that's like an extra worksheet, a particular site that you want your students to go to, like Kahoot, things like that they actually have to type a code into. And then my last page is going to be website resources. And the reason that I wanted to include, and I'm actually going to rename that. So if I want to rename that, I can go and I can click on the 3 vertical dots and I can click edit. And I'm just going to erase resources and I'm just going to do websites. And I'm going to click update. So that is how you add a page. And when you want to edit that page, all you have to do is click on the page, and it is going to bring up this right here. And if you're to click edit, then it's just going to open up a normal text box. And then you're able to add whatever you want in here. And we'll get into that in another video. Thank you.